Miscellaneous financial provisions. Article 282. Expenditure deferable by the union or a state out of its revenues. Article 283. Custody etc. of consolidated funds, contingency funds and money credited to the public accounts. Article 284. Custody of suitors, deposits and other monies received by public servants and courts. Article 285. Exemption of property of the union from state taxation. Article 286. Restriction as to imposition of tax on the sale or purchase of goods. Article 287. Exemption from taxes on electricity. Article 288. Exemption from taxation by states in respect of water or electricity in certain cases. Article 289. Exemption of property and income of a state from union taxation. Article 290. Adjustment in respect of certain expenses and pension. Article 298. Annual payment to certain DEVASWAM funds. Article 291. Omitted. Chapter 2nd. Borrowing. Article 292. Borrowing by the Government of India. Article 293. Borrowing by states. Chapter 3rd. Property contracts, rights, liabilities, obligations and suits. Article 294. Succession to property, assets, rights, liabilities and obligations in certain cases. Article 295. Succession to property, assets, rights, liabilities and obligations in other cases. Article 296. Property acquiring by escheat or lapse or as bona vacantia. Article 297. Things of value within territorial waters or continental shelf and resources of the exclusive economic zone to vest in the union. Article 298. Power to carry on trade etc. Article 299. Contracts. Article 300. Suits in proceedings. Chapter 4. Right to property. Article 300A. Persons not to be deprived of property save by authority of law. Part 13th. Trade, commerce and intercourse within the territory of India. Article 301. Freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse. Article 302. Power of Parliament to impose restrictions on trade, commerce and intercourse. Article 303. Restrictions on the legislative powers of the Union and of the states with regard to trade and commerce. Article 304. Restriction on trade, commerce and intercourse among states. Article 305. Saving of the existing laws and laws providing for state monopolies. Article 306. Omitted. Article 307. Appointment of authority for carrying out the purpose of Articles 301 to 304. Part 14th. Services under the Union and the States. Chapter 1. Services. Article 308. Interpretations. Article 309. Recruitment and conditions of service of persons serving the Union or a state. Article 310. Tenure of office of persons serving the Union or a state. 311. Article 311. Dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of person employed in civil capacities under the Union or a state. Article 312. All India services. Article 312A. Power of Parliament to vary or revoke conditions of services of officers of certain services. Article 313. Transitional provisions. Article 314. Omitted. Next we will discuss in the next one.